Well, be it Congress government or the BJP, for honest IAS officer Ashok Khemka, who is known for exposing the murky Vadra land deals, the struggle against the system is not over. Made the Transport Commissioner of Haryana after BJP came to power last year, Khemka has again been transferred for the 45th time in his 24-year-long career. Here's a report.
IAS officer Ashok Khemka logged the 45th transfer of his career on Wednesday, when Haryana Chief Minister Manohar Lal Khattar ordered Khemka's posting as the Secretary of Archaeology and Museums Department. Khemka's latest posting comes barely 4 months after he was given charge as Transport Commissioner last year, after the BJP government came to power in Haryana.
खड़े रहो डटे रहो तो अंतिम चारा होता है कि ट्रांसफर कर दो जी, तो ये बड़ा दुखदपूर्ण बात है. तो लेकिन one has to take this in one stride and move ahead.
Ashok Khemka shot to limelight when he exposed the controversial land deals of Robert Vadra in Gurgaon. An expose that Khemka had to pay a price for, as he was shunted out a number of times during the Congress regime under Bhupinder Singh Hooda.
इस बारे में आप बेहतर ये होगा कि हरियाणा के सरकार से और हरियाणा के प्रभारी से इस बारे में बात करें. मेरा कुछ कहना उचित नहीं होगा.
But for others, Khemka became a symbol of an upright and honest bureaucrat.
एक ईमानदार आईएएस अफसर खेमका को तंग कर रही है क्योंकि उसने एक धृष्टता की, एक हिम्मत दिखाई, एक संकल्प दिखाया रॉबर्ट वाड्रा की गड़बड़ियों को उजागर करने का.
Yet for Khemka, nothing seems to have changed. Hooda is gone, replaced by Khattar, but Khemka's experience of regular transfers is yet to end. Bureau Report, Times Now.
In news that we are breaking to you, IAS officer reacting to his 45th transfer tweets about how fighting against corruption leads to this painful reaction by the government. That's the tweet that you can see on your screens by Ashok Khemka, who has been transferred once again from his existing position. I have Vishal joining me for a fresh input. He will be joining us very shortly, in fact, with more information on what exactly led to this decision. But what we do know, of course, is that IAS officer Ashok Khemka has been a whistleblower. He had earlier red flagged the land deal between real estate giant DLF and Robert Vadra in Haryana's Gurgaon. He has been transferred yet again. This is in fact the 45th time in his 24-year-long career as a bureaucrat that he has been shunted out from different positions. This time he's been transferred out of his current position as Transport Commissioner.